Okay, so right now, this is what we're working with. Have basically nothing in the house. It's pouring right now. What a great welcome to the neighborhood. It's so cute here. I have my own little fire escape. This is it. So today is a lot of cleaning, scrubbing, antibacterial spraying, everything down. I want everything to be super clean before I move all of my stuff in. That's why I haven't brought any boxes yet, really just the bed and some decor that is delivered here. What are we doing right now?
Going to pick up furniture from a stranger.
Yes. My mom found a table on Facebook Marketplace that she wants to get before my table arrives in like 5 to 8 weeks. So that's what we're going to pick up right now. You were supposed to turn left there.
I was taking the scenic route.
Yeah, that was legal to do, right? We did it! Woo! It's
hot.
Is it 102?
No.
It says it.
It must be.
I'm going with 102.
Triple digits. We'll stick with the higher for shock value.
It's actually not bad. It's a good temporary, for sure. This for the bar cart will go. The shelves. And this is our air mattress at the moment.
I'm not thirsty anymore.
What did the 125 by 30 for the end?
I don't know if we'll have time for that today. They close in 5 minutes. We'll come back next year. Wow.
They're plant-based.
Soups, cheers. Soup, cheers. Very good. I know where I'm getting 3 days a week.
This is gravy and some fries.
Yummy.
How's the plant-based?
It tastes like Thanksgiving. It's actually really good.
Thank you. That's really bad.
We've got more time at Ikea to kill. Let's go play in Ikea. We can sleep here. I got the last one.
Oh, wow, it looks very luscious in here.
Welcome to my garden. Here in Red Hook. Jesus.
How does this make you feel?
Overwhelmed. A little disheartened. This is our society that you can get for $50.
High five. We did it. Packed everything up in here.